Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the color of your notes background on the Microsoft OneNote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the sticky notes icon down below, and you can either select from your notes at this section that you have already created, or you have the possibility to create a completely new one by tapping on the plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. After typing in your text, all you have to do is clicking on the three dots icon at the top of the screen, which is the second option on the right side. And as you can see, you have like 7 options that you can choose from concerning the color of your page. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose. As you can see, these are pale colors, so feel free to tap on any of these that you would like to use. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.